Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around the 3-bedroom home, The Rose. So let's take a look inside. So as we step inside the home, you have a spacious downstairs bathroom to your right, which is super convenient for when you have guests round. Moving into our living space, which is full of natural light thanks to the large window at the front of the home. There's plenty of room here to make this space your own. As you can see, we've utilised this area here for a work from home setup, which is still nicely integrated to the rest of the room. And tucked away just under the stairs, you have additional storage here so that you can keep the room nice and tidy. So if you follow me through to our shaker style kitchen, where we have opted for a neutral colour scheme and a white marble top. However, you can change these to suit your taste based on our options and upgrades available. So the kitchen is also filled with lots of natural light, thanks to the bifold doors which open out into the garden. This is the perfect place to enjoy the summer months and really make the most of that indoor-outdoor living when hosting friends or family. All of our gardens include hedgehog highways, which are holes constructed at the bottom of your fence to allow hedgehogs to move through your gardens safely. So let's take a look upstairs. As you head up the stairs, to our left we have the main bedroom, which is full of everything that you'd need, from built-in wardrobes to large windows and even additional storage so that you can help keep the space tidy. And to make it complete, you even have your own ensuite to make it easier to get up and go in the mornings. As we move out of the main bedroom, we head into the upstairs bathroom, which is fitted with a bath and shower, making it the perfect place to relax after a busy day. So this home is perfect for first-time buyers thanks to the 2 additional bedrooms facing the back of the home. And here we have the second bedroom, which is the ideal space for young children to make their own, or it could be used as a guest bedroom. And just across the hallway, we have our third and final bedroom. However, this could also be a study space for those that work from home or a hobby room. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching this house tour of our 3-bedroom home, The Rose. If you need any more information, then just click the link in the description below.